What's up guys, Trail here, and today I wanted to let you guys in on how my real estate investing is going. This is actually going to be a tour of my real estate investing rental property that I had purchased back in December of 2017. Now, I filmed this video back then, however, I never uploaded it. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys, and the reason is because a lot of my family and friends have been asking me, how did the property look before you bought it? What did it look like? What all did you do and what all did you change? So I figured I would go ahead and create this video and upload it and show you guys what it actually looked like. Alright, this is the second rental property that I have invested in, and I'm going to show you guys today. Alright, that's the topic. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, walking up to the house right now. You can check it out from the outside. Check all the way around, then we'll be able to go inside and look at it from the inside. We'll say the outside looks in great shape. The roof looks in very good shape, like it's been replaced within less than 5 years. And the grass is somewhat decent, you know. These bushes just need trimming, but you know, need a little bit of tender loving care. I will say this AC unit looks like it's been replaced over the years, which obviously this house is built in 1987, I believe, so you know, definitely would have had to replace the AC unit by now. It looks like there's a little shed in the back. That shed looks of some great value. I wonder, could we actually move that shed somewhere else? But yeah guys, that's what the sort of the outside looks like. We'll kind of go inside and take a look on the inside and see what this is all about. So looks like the garage needs a little bit of repairing. Got some gaps right here in the corners, so but needs to be power washed off and cleaned up, and this should be good. Let's walk in. Not much light in here, so but as you can see, it's got tile right here at the beginning of the entranceway. Looks good. It's got carpet, dark colored carpet. Fireplace looks in great shape right there. Blinds, we might have to place those blinds. So let's go into the bedrooms in here. The JC unit. We got a closet here, looks like it's been painted purple. We'll definitely be changing the color out. We might be, oh look, got some VCR tapes. I know some of you don't even know what VCR tapes are, so. Oh, got broken glass here. Broken glass, got it boarded up, got some weights. But, not bad, not bad. We might be changing this door out, I'm not sure. But we'll go to the second room. Second room looks to be painted bluish color. Definitely don't want that in rental property. We'll come in and you know, paint up the entire house two-tone where the baseboards are white, and then we'll put like a little light tan color on the walls. So looks like this window has been busted as well, so we'll definitely have to replace that. Little standardized closet, nothing fancy, you know, starter home for someone. The door looks in okay shape. We'll probably have to paint that door. We'll probably be replacing those.
And this particular house has that popcorn at the top of the home, which is very old, so not sure if we'll be taking that out. Let's go check out this bathroom. This seems to be in good shape, however, does have wallpaper on the walls. So we'll definitely be taking this wallpaper off. I guess you guys can't see it because of the color, but we'll be taking the wallpaper off. This toilet looks to be in fairly decent shape. We might just clean this up and, you know, tidy it up a little bit. Ceiling vent definitely needs to be cleaned. Look, got a water leak right there. Change that light fixture. So yeah, those are the extra bedrooms, and then we're walking into the master bedroom now. Master bedroom seems to be has some great space. Great space. I don't know if you can see this, guys, but does have the carpet on there. This carpet, if you can't tell from the video, this carpet it's like a maroonish mauve color. Looks like whoever had the home, they started painting it, but perhaps they ran out of paint. So, closet, a little bit of a walk-in. Bit of a walk-in space. Closet, just needs repainting, retouching up. Let's go in the bathroom. Looks like the bathroom is a portion of the bedroom. So it sits out a little, you know, inside the bedroom area, and then you go into the door. And now you're in here in the bathroom area. So, but looks like a little storage space up there. But yeah, this tub looks like we might have to replace this. I know some spots taken away from it. Then you got your little toiletry area there, and looks decent. Looks decent from the most part. So let's go check this backyard out. It looks like there's a lot of stuff in the backyard that needs to be thrown out. Or first off, let's go check out the kitchen. Let's go check out the kitchen. Looks like it's got a modern alarm system installed here. And this is the kitchen area, the breakfast nook, which is kind of a large space. It's pretty large here. Walk in and you got your cabinets. Definitely not a walk-in cabinet, but enough for a small size home. Refrigerator space. Cabinets still look in decent shape, so microwave, missing the stove, so we'll have to replace that definitely. Alright, let's go check out this backyard right here. Open this door.
Back door.
Alarm system talks to us. Back door definitely needs to be replaced or really fixed up a lot. Got a screen door on here and whoa. Wow. So definitely a lot of stuff left behind. Just give you guys a little go around here. Window cracked right there. Swing set left behind. It's a decent sized backyard, I will say that. Decent sized backyard. Storage. Look at that storage. Whoa. So looks like they used to have a kennel. Or like a little raising. They raised animals back here. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Looks like they were raising some animals and keeping them separate. Go in different sections, so definitely a lot of cleanup back here. And here's the back view of the home. So that roof looks a little warped. Maybe there's something wrong with it. I'll definitely have to check it out. But other than that, that's sort of the house right here. I will say right now my inspector's here, and he's going to be here a few hours, and he's definitely going over the entire home and give me a report on things that definitely need to be done with the home and things that are good. So interested in seeing the report coming out. I guess should have the report to me later on today or tomorrow. So pretty excited. Definitely the house is not in livable condition right now, but you know, once we do a little bit of rehab on it, I think we should get it up to par and, you know, put it on the market and get it available for someone. So pretty excited. Moving on up, man. Trying to catch up with the others. Trying to catch up.
All right, guys, that was it. That was the complete tour of my second rental property that I have right now. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, look here. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button that's right there below this video. And in addition, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see what the finished product looked like after I finish the rehab, go ahead and hit the like button. Depending on how many likes I receive for this video, I know you guys enjoyed it and you're really interested in seeing what the finished product looked like. So go ahead right there, right now, click on the like button, and I'll be sure to go back to the home and do another tour of what the actual property looks like now. All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stick around, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.